I hated my dingy deck. It was so old and worn, but I didn't want to spend $1,000 on a makeover, so I came up with an awesome idea with the help of Wagner. We started by removing all the furniture and cleaning off the deck. We even used a specialized cleaner that will help the deck be prepped for staining. After the deck was clean and dry, I got right to staining, using my Wagner Control Pro 130. Great for large home improvement painting projects like this deck. It took me longer to choose a color stain than it did to actually stain the deck. The color I went with is Sunlit Copper from Valspar. The Wagner Control Pro 130 also uses high-efficiency airless technology, so it produces 55% less overspray compared to other airless sprayers. Cleanup was super simple. This made me think of all the other projects I could use the sprayer for, like maybe Eli's treehouse. But first, I'll be using it on my banisters. I didn't have to prep the space at all, besides cleaning it off really well. Then it was time for paint. I chose iron ore for a sleek, modern look. The hopper holds 1.5 gallons of paint right in the tank, so I don't have to stop and refill. This totally helped me get the entire deck makeover done in just one weekend. Now that the deck has a fresh coat of paint and stain, it's time to complete this outdoor oasis by adding back our furniture and a few other essentials. I absolutely love how our back deck turned out. The stain and paint brought life back to the space. The Wagner Control Pro 130 made it so I didn't have to hire a contractor, saving me a ton of money on this makeover. I hope this inspired you to make over your backyard space. Thanks to Wagner for sponsoring this video. Check out the link in the description to shop the products used.